What's up, guys? We're out here in Washington Pacific Beach doing a little fox hunting. Somewhere in this area are 4 different transmitters. So we gotta try and find them. So let's do that. I've never done a fox hunt, so this is kind of neat. We got all these people here. We got some antennas with attenuators and whatnot. So let's get to finding. That's what it sounds like. Hams in action. It's not me.
I was going to say, it's in Mike's pocket. It's in Mike's pocket.
Have you found any yet?
No, we're about to find one now.
This is definitely a lot trickier than I had imagined.
Wait for it to...
We may have located one. Right there. There's a whole family of fox hunters here. Are we finding all the foxes?
We got 3 out of 4. So
Have you really?
yeah, the
I
kids
couldn't.
haven't, but we have.
I couldn't find anything with the HT, so I gave up.
The arrow's killing it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where's another one? It may be there somewhere. I feel I have one of those.
A loop?
Yeah.
It's harder than
Oh, I
the arrow.
see it.
The arrow's where it's at.
That's easy. It's right there. You finding anything, Heath?
Yeah, I need to feed in the old attenuation.
Ah.
Too close.
Oh, look at you with the pistol grip there.
I know.
That's pretty slick.
So just fold in here and then turn this up to max so that I can actually.
Yeah, nice.
So I'm not blowing up my S meter.
Very good. Have you found any yet?
No. I was
No?
working very hard.
Oh.
So now.
I'll tell you, anyone driving by must think we're crazy. All these people with these crazy antennas pointing them everywhere. The heck are they doing there? George, what are they doing?
But I figured out this attenuates too much even at point blank.
Yeah.
But then this is too much signal, totally unusable. There's just enough brass on the end of a ballpoint pen I can hold it there. And
No kidding.
and then my signal meter actually means something.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day. Ballpoint pen. Good, good fox hunting antenna. Find the fox. You learning her the way?
She is learning the way.
Good. You excited about amateur radio? Yeah. You getting close? Oh, now everybody's coming over here.
It's time for it to be done.
I have to wait for.
So now that we've gotten our practice in finding the transmitters here, we're gonna go hunt. There's a few that are farther away, so we're gonna go try and find at least one. So let's do that. This is Nate.
Hi.
Nate has drawn a strikingly good and accurate map of the neighborhood here. These are the different frequencies of the transmitters, and we're gonna take just an initial bearing here from the house.
My strongest signal's right there.
We're very scientifically calculating the angle here.
Yeah, from our house right there. If this map doesn't make you want to come to Pacific Beach, I don't know what
Yeah.
will.
Yeah.
That first transmitter, call this 1. Pat on
All
that
right.
one. So let's do it again for the next one.
All right, so we got all 5 bearings on this beautiful map. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
It's encrypted, so you can't read it.
Yeah, yeah. All right, let's hop in the van and get to finding some transmitters. Tell your story, man.
So we got a bearing on all 5 of them from the backyard here.
Okay.
So my thought from our clearly marked location here, the main lobby, there's a parking lot up here. My thought is go up there, hang out in the parking lot, take another bearing, see which ones we can hear from there, and start drawing messed up lines from there. And then narrow in on these tiny little things that are no larger than that mic.
Yeah.
Plus an antenna. They're small.
Piece of cake.
Yeah.
This is our direction finding mobile. All right, go find it. And try and take a bearing for all 5 from here. I don't know if that's the right way to do it or the wrong way to do it, but that's what we're gonna do. So we reckon we may have gone a little too far north.
They're all
So
the
we're
same
gonna-
way.
they're all back that way. I don't think they're too far out of the neighborhood. We're only a couple blocks away, so we're gonna head back south and take another measurement and see where we get.
Yeah, it's north here.
Well, maybe we're close. Doing a little consulting here. 1 is still south of here. We're hot on the trail of transmitter number 1. We reckon it's probably that way, where other people are searching for transmitter number 1. Could it be by the utility pole, perhaps?
No.
Or are you still going south?
Still south.
I'm gonna say in that culvert. Busting out some beats, some fat beats.
It's a party transmitter. I'm close enough that it's pegging the meter.
Is the other HT picking it up yet? Well, it's got to be in here, like behind this, I would guess. Is it down here anywhere? Oh yeah, you got it.
So we're on it somewhere.
There she is. Ow. All right,
All right, let's do some more.
that's the first one. 1 down, 4 to go. Look, we're looking for which transmitters now? Number 3 and 4 or something? 3 and 4. They're somewhere in this area. You're not getting a good bearing anymore?
I'm getting it everywhere, and I'm off frequency.
Huh.
So, what do you figure?
Oh,
a
geez.
Canister with the phone number on it would be.
That might be it. We're sitting here, wandering around. Things going off like crazy. I'm literally standing like 2 feet away, like right here. Like, where the heck is it? I'm all down in this culvert and stuff. Boy, that was a tough one. Cool. Well, good. We got number 2 or 3 or whatever number that was. We got a party transmitter. It's loud. The signal is strong with this one. We're in the beautiful downtown Pacific Beach. We've got a gas station and a wacky warehouse. And that's it. There's actually, there's wine tasting here. And they actually have a radio station. Everybody's looking for the same transmitter right now, it looks.
Let's just move the van.
Where could it be in this Pacific Beach State Park? I still don't have it on this.
Let's get the van and go back and get my table that I left there anyway.
Get your what?
I think it's over at their campsite.
We suspect they may have put a fox at our fellow club members' campsite. Think you can outfox us? My spidey sense is not tingling yet.
You found it.
You got something on you? Do you have it? Do you have it? Are you a transmitter? Did they make you eat the transmitter? Huh? Did they make you eat the transmitter, buddy? Did you eat the transmitter?
I tried not to.
Is it in that coffee?
It was really good, dipped in ranch.
Dipped in ranch. One of you guys sitting on it? I have found the transmitter. So we reckon we lost. I mean, we've been doing this for probably an hour and a half or so, I'd guess now. I have no idea. But we've got, we think 3. So we're gonna find 2 more. We're very close very close to transmitter number 4. I think it's behind this sign, but what do I know? I don't see nothing here. I'm getting a really good signal with my antenna, but I'm still not getting a signal without. Still 433-900, right?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I think that's 5. We have deduced that it is not in the park, so we are going to go back north that away. We will find it. All right, we're back downtown by the wacky warehouse. It's somewhere around here. Somewhere. We're getting close. I can sense the radiation in the air. It could just be all the fog. What you getting?
It's standing up.
It's standing up? Oh. But where is it? Maybe that guy's got it. He looks awful suspicious.
So it's over there somewhere. Probably next block over.
Well, let's
walk
go
down.
the next block over. So I've only got like 1 bar on the HT. I'm looking all over for this thing. It might be in this gazebo. We're getting some pretty strong signals here. I'm gonna bet it's in here. Is it up here anywhere? All right, I'm hearing it without the antenna now, so it's gotta be around here somewhere. I mean, it's got to be here, but I don't see it. There it is. There it is. Right there, you little rascal. Ha! Clever girl. That's not too bad direction finding just with an HT. We're like 2 blocks away from where we parked. You can kind of see where the gas station is. We're down that street. So walked all the way around the block, but I found it. That's great. All right, so this last one's a pesky little bugger. Drove all the way to the beach. I don't think it's down there, so we're just up here on the corner, and we're gonna get a bearing. I'm not hearing it without my antenna, so we're not that close. But it's around here somewhere. Did you forget how to ham radio since the last time you ham radioed?
It's a skill. It works out well for people.
I bet it's like at that stop sign.
Full quieting into the not repeater.
It's full quieting everywhere.
Yeah. So I can't get a smaller increment to go off frequency to try to hear it because it's just that low enough power.
We'll use my radio.
I think
Are these increments suitable enough for you? That face is going to tell me yes. The X7R, man, never fails you. The swapping of the radios. It's no Bofang, but it'll do.
did you just say it right?
Huh?
Did you say it right?
Bofang, Baofang, Bufang, Bufang, Baofang. You want Baofang? Baofang, Baofang, Baofang. Hurry up and do something. Do what?
Make the smaller increment.
I don't know, you made a big face like you wanted to use it a second ago.
Yeah, I was reading wrong.
Jeez. Think it's up there?
Yeah. Oh, it is, definitely. No.
Maybe it's up there in the transformer.
Yeah, let's move out of this awkward spot.
Do you think the fire department would be out of limits?
Yeah, I doubt it would be down there. I wouldn't hide it.
Well, I'm gonna check by this stop sign just because. It's probably not here, but you never know. I do not see a transmitter. So my hunch was wrong. All right, we're in here without the antenna territory. Now, why is somebody calling me? Who calls me? Someone from Detroit. All right, I'm not hearing it anymore. Where did it go? See, there's Casey again. He knows something. He knows too much. The hell is this damn thing? It's got to be in here.
There should be access in through the other side, really. We had this open before.
I mean, we're pretty close because we're hearing it without an antenna. Well, I'm gonna keep going this way. We're looking for the 800 one. It's getting stronger. So you know where this one is that I'm looking for. It's right there. There it is, you son of a bitch. Yeah, baby. Got it. So there we have it, gang. After 5 successful transmitter finds, we are now all professional fox hunters. So if you need any foxes hunted, just email me at k8mrd@icloud.com. And, you know, my fees are reasonable. We start at $500, but we can negotiate if you need to give me more money. But yeah, what a cool activity. You guys have fun?
I did.
Yeah. He's like, I can't believe how fun this is. I would have never thought.
It sounded really, really nerdy. Like, oh, that's a kid's game. That's not gonna be cool. Now we're done, and I feel empty inside.
Yeah. That took us a while, though.
Yeah.
What time did we start? Like 1:30 or so?
No, we started at noon with the brief.
Well, yeah, but when we were going for this part,
Oh, I don't remember. I didn't write down the time.
we probably spent easily a couple hours. So, yeah, good times. Good times.
Oh, look, we're home.
Then we're gonna relax for a bit, and then we're gonna head out to the restaurant and get some prime ribs. So, we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And